Who's ready for some Southern comfort food? Ready, girls? Yeah. So we were told by locals that this is one of the best barbecue places in all of South Carolina, and we're gonna go check it out. Ready? Hungry? Oh, yeah.
Hey, how are y'all? Welcome to Doc's.
Oh, we're doing great. We're so excited about eating Southern barbecue.
Well, that's good to hear. That's good to hear. We're glad you came to Doc's today. Did you want individual meals, sandwiches, or baskets, or were you looking to try our wonderful buffet where you can try a little bit of everything?
What would you
want to
suggest?
try everything.
I would highly suggest the buffet. That way you don't miss out on anything.
Oh, I want to try it all. Yeah. All right,
All
4
right.
buffets, please.
Sure thing. We'll get you all fixed up. If you just want to help yourself to a plate and a table, and if there's anything that you can't find and you need, you please let us know, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is so good. You hungry?
Let's go.
There's so much to choose from at the buffet, but most try the cheddar cheese biscuits, rice and hash, catfish nuggets, and mac and cheese. And don't worry if you don't try everything the first time. There's always room for seconds. Look at this. True Southern cooking. Nothing like it. As we sit and enjoy our meal, Doc's owner John joins us and shares some fun facts about the place. This is amazing. It's so good. This is like my dream is a barbecue place like this.
Well, we're certainly glad you're enjoying it, and we sure try hard to make it be good every day.
Yeah, it's wonderful. And I love the fact you can try a bunch of things, right?
We already
A
got
little
a
taste of
thumbs up
everything.
on the mac and cheese.
Oh, right there. Good. Excellent.
Double thumb up.
Good deal. Good deal. Yes,
So
ma'am.
you're John.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was Doc?
Doc was a physician that was in the Columbia area and treated many of the families from around here and devoted a lot of his time to the folks that could not take care of their own medication stuff that he'd do on his weekends and take care of the public.
And there's also something very local, and it's that sauce, right?
Well, we call it our blend sauce, and it is, again, a sauce that Mr. Stevenson developed 35 years ago. And it's a base mustard South Carolina sauce that the natives of South Carolina really love their mustard sauce, but he's added some special ingredients and things to it over the years to where I don't think anybody's got a mustard sauce quite like ours.
Secret? You
Yes,
can't
ma'am.
know.
Are you going to tell us again?
Well, folks, it's been a pleasure visiting with you, and thank you so much for being here. Y'all enjoy, and if I can help you in any way, let me know before you leave,
Oh,
okay?
thank you
John.
for
Thank
taking
you. Thank
time,
you.
John.
Thank
This is
you.
great. We're going to dig in now.
Good deal. Go for it.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
My favorite thing is everything on
Okay, one of the things I'm obsessed with is brisket. And so John was nice enough, thank you, to get me brisket. Oh, look at that. And fried okra. Growing up part of my life in Texas, this is what I'd eat, and you just can't get anything like this. Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we're gonna share this. Or maybe not. As we continue to enjoy this delicious Southern meal, we ask the customers what continues to bring them back to Doc's.
We've actually been coming for about a year. They catered to my work originally. One of the drug reps brought it, and ever since then, we've been coming very regularly, at least a few times a month. So the catfish nuggets are the best ever. Yeah.
And the cornbread.
Yeah, the cornbread is the best cornbread in the South, for sure.
I know it's a barbecue place. My favorite item is fried chicken. I come here for the fried chicken. Sorry.
You definitely need to add Doc's Barbecue to your list of places to eat while in Columbia, South Carolina. It's truly finger-licking good. Before we continue on with our day, I think it's best to take a quick break. There's a reason why it's called comfort food. Who's ready for a nap?